Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix your PC device needs to be repaired error code 0xc000000e. Boot with bootable CD or USB. Click Next, click Repair your computer, click Troubleshoot, click Command Prompt. Type /fix mbr. Type /fixboot. If any error, use bootsex /nt60 sys. Type disk part. Type list disk. Star indicates the system partition type is UEFI. Type list vol. Find system volume, in my case system volume is 2. Type assign letter equal to Q. Type attrib bcd space, -h space, -r space, -s. Type bcd space, bcd1.old. Type bootrec space, /rebuild bcd. Type bcd boot space, Windows installation drive letter colan / Windows space, /s space, assigned drive letter colan space, /f space, UEFI. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.